hard work. Tuara sila. Hi. Hi guys, right now we are here in Hodus. Look, this is our short hike. This way to the Hodus.
Starting po with a short walk at Hudus in Banff. Let's go.
Another beautiful spot. Yeah. Cloudy nga lang, pero maganda pa rin. Oh my goodness, look at that. There you go.
What the heck is a Hudus? Ito yun guys, ito pala yung Hudus. Parang form sa rock. May formation siya. So ito pala tinatawag na Hudus. Oh. Ito ang puntahan natin. Tingnan natin to sa real view. Hey, let's. Where you going?
We're going on the top of this Hodus. We're gonna see what's in the Hodus in there.
Okay, go.
Nakakahingal.
Oh, may hinahanda silang upuan para sa ating dalawa. So how's the walk?
The walk is good. It's great. Kahinga, but it was okay. It's not fast.
Tingnan mo naman. Yes.
Focus mo nga dun sa Hodus.
That's the Hudus. So we can go there closer. Right? I think so. That's the Hudus.
Hi. Let's go for hike. What's out? What's out at your own risk?
Nakakaimog lang to ba?
The Hodus. The beauty of Hodus. is beautiful. This is what I like for hiking. The view are so amazing. Artemio, where are you at now? Oh my goodness, where's my partner? He's gone. Okay, we are on our second stop. The second Bow Valley. Hmm. A bear friend. So this must be our third stop.
The view ba? Sa ngayon parang hindi siya klaro masyado dahil alam niyo na may wildfire doon sa British Columbia malapit ng itong bahay. So dito napaka-smoky yung area. Dati nakapunta kami rito, ang ganda ng Rockies. So sa ngayon parang hindi masyado makikita dahil smoky nga. Pero maganda pa rin siya.
Asa niya Kalasangan bay?
Sa Lubok.
Lubuk area.
And guys, ito ang lowest part sa Udos. Rocky Mountains. Bababa sana kami doon pero hindi kakayanan ni Sana. Pero pag ako lang, kaya ko yan. Tatakbuhin ko pa yan. Galing ako doon guys sa baba. Hi.
Oh, hello. You're there. 2 oras sila. Hi. Labay rami.
Ah, siya.
Gibiyaan ako sa akong kauban. Layo na siya. Where you going? That's hard work. Made it. Huh? Okay. Hello, sir. How was your hiking?
It's really fun.
Really? We are on the top, and that's the view from the ground. Sa baba. Yeah. Minsan-minsan maganda makakita ng ganitong view. Hindi yung trabaho lang tayo ng trabaho and then kalimutan na natin magpahinga or mag-unwind or magpunta sa iba-ibang lugar para naman ma-divert ang isipan natin. Yeah, this is a good break na punta sa iba-ibang mga views. That's the thing I love for backcountry hike. I mean, not backcountry, for a hiking. This is only a short hiking, but it was fun.
Yan guys, relax muna kami. Pahinga, tapos nag-viewing sa dito sa baba. Nasa top ito. Pahinga muna sandali bago bumalik sa
Saan ka babalik?
pinaparkingan namin.
Kala ko camping, wala pa tayong site. Maghahanap pa tayo ng site.
Ipakita ko sa iyo yung namin guys, yung front ng inuupuan namin view. Kung gaano siya kaganda. Ang ganda mag-upo dito, magmuni-muni. Titingin-tingin sa view sa harapan.
But it would be nice if there's a glass of red wine.
Alcohol is prohibited in this area
I
guys.
know, but I say it would be nice. Yeah, well, you look in this beautiful view, and then you have a ito guys, pauwi na kami. Yeah, it was a nice visit to this beautiful Hodos hiking, short hiking. I'll go this side. Yeah. Yan, maraming tao dito nag-hike. Yeah, that's it for Hoodoos. And we park that side. Yeah, that white truck. We park in there.
May have your
Your
baston.
Baston sa mga tigulang.
Gulang. Abot nami guys. That's all for Hodos. And then thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, our channel, just click like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? See you next video.